on you just step out in a rock truck. We are taking to the street like a clock. Who's shooting at the yellow shot the clock? That no stop work, tell them big up and skinner. Each one with a boots and skinner. We start with the rest of the tip in the rock. Head up loose again. New York rise and rise. One wicked swan. I said in a bad man place. Who's got kicking up in a bad man place? If I'm gonna put my chalice still up in a bad man place. You're sitting on the trophy now you're in a bad man place. In a bad man place where you're getting this with a problem. In a bad man come kill a fight to the rest of the blood of the Bible. Push it on the chest. Bad man place. In the cars of youngster. Police and space that get no answer. Right in a day, Mr. Nine, Mr. King, Mr. Smith, Mr. All bad man place. Celebrate when it not bust the case. Come from shit you make your bust the lace. Put a cup and smash my brain and them can't bust. Hey, while we kids blue squeeze. And pop them. Shut it up the place like a kid. Then when you go rise up the got lint. In a bad man place. Who's got kicking up as in a gangster place? What do we watch and listen to this in a bad man place? You're sitting on the trophy now you're in a bad man place. That's it. Don't feel what's say a hustle man a hustle. Do ya? Hustle man a hustle. Do you hustlers? Them a hustle. To all the small members and the higglers. I miss a hustle man a hustle. All the fruits of a hustle man a hustle. We never stop and try. Just let your mama don't cry. I said that. Well man want money down the pocket. All the work gun no locking. Drive off violence on the drop it. Man want food. Hustling. Hustling. One day me say we must get rich money. In a safe invest just in case. Make sure me deal my base. Do lots of food. Hustling. Hustling. Well I do drinks man I pray. Me want somebody money from my BTV. Me want me one a radio station. Plus me want a signal TV. Money I grow up and tree. Listen to so loud in the street. To the road, cause the youths of the earth. They can move. Oops, the youths not to rise them down. And they grind all the time, cause get a bus. Just come one, moving on the pocket. All the walk down the locket. Crime and violence when I drop it. Man want food. Hustling, hustling. One day I say we must get rich money. In a case invest just in. I say make sure me deal my base. Tell them say food. Hustling, hustling. That's it. Do you remember this? Now when them set we up. Technology sites set on ya. And you not watching for me now. He asks who's calling me from my hand. Oh, so we no answer no hand. Oh, me not pick it up if it's a private. I can't stand no answer no private. And you ask who's calling me from my hand. No, me not answer no hand. Oh, me not pick it up if it's a private. Say can't stand no mix. So me say I'm gonna pray. I would never pray. No call the phone if you don't want me. If I don't work for your feet, if I don't let me pay. Stop your phones for your blood detergent. If they know the number, don't tell them now. Now me never answer in the family. But then I regular them keep it up. Black call but me no pick it up. So they forget us. So me say who's calling me from my unknown number. So me no answer no unknown number. We not pick it up if it's a private car. Youngsters no answer no. Sing say who's calling me from my unknown number. Moving in the park no take no unknown number. No me not pick it up if it's a private car. Youngster now, one more time Ramadan. Who's calling me from my aunt? New York we not answer no. You know long me a want. But they don't check if it's a private. I miss a youngster now. Hey, watch your phone business. That's it. Hold on. New York. Roy Wilkins Park. Make me look. I don't know if first time this. When me look out there, me see one heap of people from all over the globe. Me see a whole heap of Jamaican flag a wave. Me see St. Lucia, me see Trini. Me see some Rastaman banner from up a Bobo Hill. Me see some people from Poppy in Kentire, Portmore, Boxer Center and Moby and Ochi. You know Ochi, and for your information, Ochi is a different foreign. From right here, so. But right now, foreign me there. Big foreign. Give thanks and praise to the Most High Jah. Hold on there now, we have to show praises because everybody have to give praise right now. Our Father, yeah?
Our Father,
straight and play.
who art in Zion, always be thy
Rise up, son.
thy kingdom
Rise up here in them, son.
will be
VIP, everybody. Everybody put in the song, hallelujah. Freedom. So we say what is to be must be. Don't just say it. Hallelujah. We say we now go up to it again. Freedom. So we say what is to be. Who I say we are now, we are gonna sing hallelujah. So we now go up. Never done like a ship we have to see again. We have never seen the kind of time to do. Watch it, the airport down slow the world. Fresh it up in the house down the world. Step out and what you want to sure. We hustle as a road. So if you ever been to jail before, have to keep an eye open if you are sure. But I can't put someone not get it on the floor. They have to mark X on your display doors. That's the word up. If you ever been behind the doors, so you sleep them up to live with the stars. Cast the sky in the air, you come around the war. If you wake and you dip in and you cook it, we now go and jail again. And we never gonna feel again. Like a ship we are gonna sail again. Would I never see me call the French again? I said, the courthouse no work. Step up in the house no work. Step out and when me want for sure. We don't see that. Why New York sexy body girl, let me know that. I know. Watch your girl, it's hot girl, it's on a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully, baby girl, baby girl. Oh, I, man, it's a bedroom bully. Bedroom bully. Tell the girl this, why not cock up, girl, why not cock up? In a dance hall, she a why not cock up? Which man I want to tell you, put the cock up. Put right this on the big and back. Yes, like, you can't cock up. Stand in the shelter, like you back up. Look how you sexy, you don't know back up. I'm here in a things and the whole place mash up. I represent the ladies, them you know. I force me forward and we say Groovin in the park. There's a whole heap of reggae music fans there. No problem. I have them. Let me tell you this. Me, we just have flow through and give thanks to the Most High. Because right now, let me tell you something. Everybody right now is looking at a walking miracle. You are now looking at a walking miracle. A walking Thanksgiving. Yeah. Enough people look for me and still say, I wonder if I am that. Like, you know, it look like him, man. Hurry up. Play with them burnt. See him ting ting. Represent for the ladies. Yes, give me another chance, baby, another chance, girls. Every ladies, all the ladies, sing with me. Everybody, my wicked spark. Cause I can feel you. Hey ladies, one night, baby. Oh yes, a million more nights. I can't sleep without you. Alright, cause every day me say me want to know me life, and me no want to wake if she not get the baby. Sign that beg me, I beg a reply, swallow me pride. But when some call without you, want me feeling scared. Remember when she said she need me all day, love from the room to dinner. I mean I really want to learn the hard way. No afraid to say please don't stay. Give me this ladies. One more night, I never did without you. I am a ladies, one more night, baby. Oh yes, I'm in the yard, more nights, I can't sleep. Remember when she missed me, call me and tell me so she me never reach in time and she a man. But soon as me reach it to her way, big smile on her face, she let me down for the whole year. Girl, me don't want to be straight, me don't want to believe, me don't want to believe. Baby girl, don't keep me this way, me need you by my side. Everybody sing this song. Sing it louder, cause I can't. Ladies, me say me love for no one, and me say baby, oh yes, a million more, cause I can't sleep without you. Representing New York, WILKINS spark. Representing my ladies, representing my babies. Yeah, hello baby, can come over. Represent my WILKINS spark. All my ladies, my ladies, my ladies. Sing. Either tonight or me love. Come on me up under the cup. Make me rock till the lamp shake on up. Rub me chest, rest your head, mommy shot. I make me listen some Anita Baker. Make me love till we wake up in the air. That girl's here, all I need. And listen to you, miss you, baby. Miss you, oh yes. I need your tenderness. I miss you, can't resist you, girl. I miss you. Alright, say you love me up, squeeze me tight and close. Gonna make me brace up on your king size. I just said me and you forever, girl. Now I got divorce me toes. Long life we are prosper the most. Love the tone of voice when you call me name. Over and over she scream again. Hear me hands, we want to be remain till the sunshine comes out. Everybody sing, girls, you're all I need. And I'm missing you, miss you, baby. Miss you. Singing your dance, I need your tenderness. Miss you. Why you New York sing? Break it down for my ladies. Break it down for my ladies. Break it down for my babies. Break it down for my ladies. Break it down for my babies. There's so much beautiful ladies inside here. There's so much beautiful ladies inside here tonight. I want to give everybody a chance to take part in this part from the heart, from start. See? And some people, we are on other side there. We are on so. Big up on yourself. And if I don't sing, I can't hear you, because everything live and hook up. Hello baby, can you come? Right now loneliness need you tonight. Come warm me up under the make me rock till the lampshade turn on. Rub me chest, rest your head by me shoulder. I make we listen some Anita Baker. Make love till New York start turn over. Sing, girls here, and I'm missing you, miss you, miss you, miss you, miss you, baby. Miss you, miss you, I miss you, miss you. Yes, I need your tenderness. Sing it. To see you, miss you, miss you, miss you, miss you, baby. Miss you, miss you. Listen me. Listen what I go on with. And they are from. The reaching of the venue from 3:04 p.m. Are we in the right name IV or RV or CV or me don't want to sit around there so. See? Only if you know someone just walk out by the stage and the police them and the people them say, oh, I don't understand, I don't disrespect nobody because I know I don't go back to prison. I'm not having that prison stuff. I'm not doing no more jail time. Anytime me I do right now, I must family time. So, me I hear so they want to cut the performance time. I sat around here and I listen to everybody perform and respect the whole of the elders them and everything. See? Anyway, I tell you that big up in myself, but I run them from early out. Because I'm in first time. Lovely, let me talk to you. Lovely. I don't want them draw me on either. Because them for overstand say, yo, no one of this my first time here to perform. Don't try to cut us my time here to perform. See? We have a contract. Chris and Drew, we have a contract. So we must line up on the show which part artists work on them time. Because they are from early. Busy Signal contract says 5 p.m. performance start. Me not enjoy it out. Play by me Jamaica love, you know. Every flag rise up now. You want to flag them you on sign up. Every flag rise up, you know. New York.